Hey, what's going on, guys? Watson here. Welcome to my channel. So, it's been a couple months. A lot has changed. I'm a dad, so that's a thing. Got a new job. It's been a crazy few months, and I'm sorry for the complete lack of content. I know I started my channel several months back and was planning on putting out videos, not quite daily, but at least a few a week, and it's been kind of hard to hold to that just because of everything that's been going on. So, what are we going to do now? Well, obviously, we got this video out, so that's a start. What I want is recommendations from you guys on what kind of content you want to see. That's really what this video is all about. So, ideas, things that I am into that I would like to make videos on. Programming, that's obviously something that I know a little bit about, and I can do programming tutorials, just standard live streams of videos as I do open source projects, all that kind of stuff. DIY, I'm getting into kind of the DIY space. Been buying up some tools, just got a 3D printer over here. Learning Fusion 360 has been kind of fun, and playing around with Blender and ZBrush and all these different tools that you can get access to for free. And I could always offer, getting started tutorials on those, or just show, a quick time lapse of, me working on a project, go to printing it, that kind of stuff. Do filament reviews. I've got several different kinds of filament that I've tried so far, and I'd love to try a bunch more. I'd love to eventually be able to do printer reviews as well, but it's gonna probably be a little bit before I attract enough attention to get some review models of 3D printers. So there's a lot that I can do. I mean, heck, I've even got a guitar back there if any of you ever want to hear me play, but yeah, we'll put that on the back burner. Anyway, go ahead, drop a comment below, tell me what kind of content you would most like to see, and I will start working on that. I do have a couple of projects planned. I've been working on some 3D models or some models in Fusion 360 that I want to get printed and get up on like My Mini Factory and Thingiverse so that you can take a crack at them. We've got a couple of DIY projects planned, like the redoing a dresser that we have. We're going to be painting it and getting it ready to go in this room, actually. I'm going to be sharing this room with my son when he comes home from the hospital. Yeah, so lots and lots of stuff. If you have any ideas, just drop a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe, that typical thing. Hit the bell, get notified when I post a new video. But until the next one, peace.